Hello everyone, welcome back to the noise update, and no, I am not continuing the series, this is just a small video of mine. I found out from a video that I watched, I will most likely link it in the description, that if you press, from what I read in the comments of that video, it said press F12, F11, F10, F9, F8, but if you just press F8, it will take you to this room. It's literally just this. It's just the background of Peppi-Bot factory with a lone spawner in the middle. You really can't do anything else in this room, and once you're in here, you're basically soft locked until you exit the room using the pause screen. For some reason it gives you a C rank for me. While testing this, it gave me an S rank, but I tested it in bosses, and yes, you can do this in boss rooms. It now gives me a C, so I don't know. From what I read in the comments of that video, it's this is most likely a test room, so I'm just gonna make it as that. I wanna try something. Oh, you can even do it in the main menu. Huh. Now, one more thing I wanna try. Will it work for Peppino's campaign? Let's see if it works. It does! Oh! Huh. It gives you a gun if you're in Peppino's campaign. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh, one more thing. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, it's... Huh, wait. It gives you the gun. Ah, so it only gives Peppino the gun. Huh. Strange. Yeah, so that's this one particular secret. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.